Django project setting, there is a portion called databases. Django provides SQLite as the default database engine, but we want to use Postgres. So for this purpose, we will install a package called psycopg2, which is necessary to configure Postgres database with the Django. I'm going to install it. Package has successfully been installed. There is second thing, that is pgadmin. Pgadmin can be downloaded from here. It is the tool provided by the Postgres for easy creation of databases. I have downloaded it and I have created few databases, but I'm going to create new one to show you how to create the database. Here, right click on it and go to the databases. It will provide us with the window where we can configure our database Pixagram 1. For this project, I am going to create another database. Here, Pixagram 1 has been created. When we go inside the setting of PostgreSQL 13, then we can see the name and the port number 5432, host name and the username. This setting is necessary to configure the Postgres database engine with the Django project. Now we shall configure the Postgres database with our project. What will be the engine? Engine will be the recently installed package, that is psycop g2. And what will be the name of the database which we have just created in the pgadmin? Hexagram 1. And what will be the user? We have seen here username Postgres, password. This is the password which I have created while installing the pgadmin. So when you will install, you will give the password. I have given it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one is the host. Here, host name, that is localhost. When we will go into the production, then the host name will change. And what will be the port? That is 5432. 5432. So we have configured Postgres with our Django project. There is minor mistake. I have mistakenly wrote double S. Instead of it, there should be only single S, PostgreSQL. When we will develop model in our project and migrate it, then that migration will be shown in this Pixagram 1 database which we have created and aligned it with our project. That data will be shown here in the tables. Currently there is no table, but we are going to develop some models like user model and other models for the Instagram app, and we will migrate those models and those will be depicting here in the tables.